Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and you might see little Brooklyn over here. Yep, she's trying to get on my lap as we speak. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a Temu haul. I'll show you what I got. If there's anything you're interested in, just let me know in the comments below and I will shoot you the link. But as of right now, I'm not gonna put the links in the description box. So if you are interested in something, just let me know. I will definitely give you the link. I don't get anything. I'm not an affiliate or an influencer anymore. I'm not even bothering with any of that. So just to let you know. All right, let's move on. Did I even introduce myself? I don't even know. I don't remember. My name is Kelly and thank you for coming. And if you're new, thank you so much. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I do highly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what I got. First of all, this is one shirt that I did get from Temu, and it says "Life is Better" by the Campfire. And I got this because I was watching Cindy's channel at More Than 2 Cents, and she got this same sweatshirt. It is super soft inside, you guys. I love it so much. Oh, what is that called? Flannel or fleece, whatever it is inside. It's not the warmest of days, the coldest of days to be wearing a sweatshirt, but I don't know, it's about 70 out, I guess. It's supposed to be like 68 or something. In the house, it's a lot warmer though, so I don't know. I might be changing. All right, I have not tried this on yet. I have boots this color that I bought from Temu. So this is a sweater. It looks like it's a very light sweater. It's knit. So I don't know if I'm going to have to wear something underneath it. I'm hoping not, but I do have, like I said, boots that match this. And that's why, that's why I bought it. But it's pretty. I like it. I definitely like it. Try it on, make sure it fits, and then we'll go from there. But as of right now, I do like it. I don't know. I was hoping it'd be a little bit thicker, but you know, with Temu. With Temu. So I'm going to put it back in the little envelope here, and I don't know. Try it on. And if it doesn't work out, it's going back, but I think it might work out. All right, so there's that. Then what's in here? You don't know. Okay, this is a cardigan. This was about $20 on Temu. Well, everything here is on Temu. But it's a pretty thick, pretty heavy, decent anyway, cardigan from Temu. And I really like it. They have different colors. It's very staticky. I can hear the static. I can actually hear it. But I wanted something, I bought a size medium, but I wanted something kind of substantial for work. Can you hear that? Wow, that's really staticky. But yeah, I thought it was really pretty. I think it'll work out, but there are different colors, but I did definitely just want the black one. It goes with everything. So hold on just a moment. I'm back. All right. My Yorkie is eating something over there, and it was the tissue that came from this cardigan. All right. She's always into something. All right, I got another sweatshirt right here. This is cute, but it looks really big. I don't know, I bought a size medium. I think I need to go down to a small in this one, but it's really cute. It doesn't have any of the flannel or warm stuff on the inside. Yeah, this one might be going back. So let me put it back in its envelope here. And yeah, thinking that's gonna go back. It just looks huge. I did not try it on, but it looks really big. So let me put this in a pile of returns. A for sure return. Okay, this is a pile of definitely keep. So I've already lost like the envelopes that they go in, but I'm hoping, I think this one goes in here, but I'm keeping this anyway, so it really doesn't need to be put back in there, but that's okay. All right, then I got this. I have not opened this one yet. This just came in today. Let's see what it is. By the way, I will put the prices on the screen of these items in case you are wondering what the cost is now as of the date that I am doing this video. It doesn't necessarily mean that's what I paid for it, but I got a little ball for my bunnies. Now, I thought I was getting a set of these, but apparently I was just getting one single little ball. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Temu. Whatever. I also got some little tiny screwdrivers, which these were freebies to me, so I'm not going to complain. Thank you, Temu. I knew these would be tiny. I wanted these, so I'm just saying with this, I thought I was getting a set. These are really cute, though. Yeah, these will work really well for me. Yeah, cute. All right, so I'm going to stick these right in my drawer, right next to where I'm sitting right now. So, yeah, I like those. Happy with those. All right, anything else in this bag? I got socks. 2 pairs. So yeah, those are cute too. All right, so a couple pairs of socks. Again, these were just daily free, which is those claim gifts. Like if you order so much, you get free gifts. And that's what these were. So yeah, I'm okay with all those. All right. Except this was disappointing. It's all right. My rabbits might like it. I was just hoping there would be more than one. I think when I saw it, it was, the picture was 3. And I just clicked on the picture. I didn't read it, but yeah, I just got one. All right, then I got another one of these puzzles. I don't know if you saw my last Temu haul, but the pieces were so tiny. And I sent the puzzles back. But this was a freebie to me, one of those daily frees. So I went ahead and I'm assuming that it's going to be another one of those where the pieces are so tiny. But I will keep this one since it was free. The other ones I did pay for, but again, I got my money back because I sent them right on back to Temu. I didn't know they were going to be so tiny. But let's see what this one is. Just by the looks of the box itself, I'm thinking the pieces are like super tiny, like that big. So let's see. That's what I'm thinking. Brooklyn, what exactly are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. You're trying to look for something to eat. Yeah, see, this is what it looks like when you get it out. And the pieces, well, no, the pieces aren't that small on this one. I don't think they're bad. I just wish it came in a better substantial box or something, but yeah, the pieces are okay in this one. It's weird because they're kind of cheap where they have the picture on one side and it looks like they use some recycled paper on the other side. I don't know. I mean, they're not, let's put it this way. I don't think I would recommend puzzles from Temu, but yeah, it's just a puzzle. I'll go ahead and hold on to this one. If I can stuff it back in the box it came in. I just got that big puzzle board from Temu, so I was really hoping to get some puzzles to do, but yeah. I mean, Temu, I just would not recommend puzzles from Temu, that's all. All right, so what is this? Okay. This is just a t-shirt. And it says True Crime Junkie. I gotta think of what to do a thumbnail with. So probably this. But this is me, totally. I do watch a lot of the true crime channels all the time, sometimes all day long. It's just on in the background. It's terrible. Some of it's so depressing, and I don't know why. I'm trying to find a spot for this. I don't know why I even watch it. Sometimes they're very upsetting. Well, you know, it's all upsetting because it's all like true crime, but it's some of them, especially when they involve kids, much more distressing than others. Okay, then I got some of these super long socks. So they're just super long socks, keep my feet warm, you know, and my legs in the wintertime, nice and warm. So they are pretty thick, and it looks like I got 2 pair. So yeah, not bad, not a bad deal. I'm gonna put my Yorkie on the floor because she's wanting to chew on things as I'm opening them up. Okay, then I got this, more socks. These aren't very thick. They are long. They're super long, but they're not very thick at all. So I'm not too sure about these. Looks like I got 1, 2, 3, yeah, about 4 pairs in here. And you know, when you live in Illinois, you need something warm and thick. So not too sure about those. We'll see. Then I got this. I don't know if I showed this. I may have shown this to you already. I don't know. But it just says, "'Tis the season." It's cute with ghosts. It's not very warm. It's just a light sweatshirt. So I remember it did come in different colors. Maybe I'll do a thumbnail with this since it is like October. Let's see. Yeah, so it's cute. It's just, you know, the sweatshirts on Temu, you know, you never know what you're going to get. You don't know if it's going to be thick. You don't know if it's going to be thin. You don't know. I mean, I don't know. It's just kind of a gamble, I guess you can say, when you order these sweatshirts on Temu. And socks, too, I guess. I have things just falling everywhere. Okay, I got a few more things over here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is another t-shirt here. Just, it says, "In October, we wear pink." So, as you know, that's, you know, breast cancer awareness. And I thought it was a really cute shirt. I think I bought a size medium. Yeah. So that's cute. That's a keeper. And then I bought, oh, okay, I bought these. What these are, you guys, they're eyeshadow sticks. But they have 2 shades of eyeshadow. Brooklyn, no, honey. In one stick. So, okay, so when you open it up, you push this up, see on the side? Let's see. All right. And there's like 2 different shades of eyeshadow. I don't know. I can't do this without a mirror, but let's see. I can't really even see what I'm doing. I don't know. I can't really see if anything even came out or what happened here. I can't tell in the mirror that I have, which is my phone in front of me, which is not a very good mirror, obviously. But yeah, I bought some of these. They're different colors. Let's see. I don't want to open each and every one of them. I will leave I'll leave a picture of these on the screen for you. But yeah, I thought they were kind of cool. They're kind of neat. But I'll leave a picture on the screen so you can kind of see them. Like I said, I don't know if it even did anything. I don't know if I even have a different color on my eyelids or not. I know I did not wear eyeshadow purposely for this video. Okay, then I got this sweatshirt. This is a nice sweatshirt. Just got the American flag on it. And this is a actual nice sweatshirt. So this feels like the one I have on. So this is nice. Happy with this one. All right. But that is it with my Temu haul. I don't have anything else to show you today. So if you are interested in any of these items, again, just let me know and I will give you the link if you are interested. Oh wait, what is this? Here's one more little package over here. Oh, it's just a bunch of socks. More socks. I don't know why I bought a bunch of socks, but I did. These are nice. They're pretty thick and they're a good length. They don't go all the way up my leg, but you know, probably to the knee. Yeah, these aren't bad at all. How many did I get? Oh my gosh. You don't know. It's just, it doesn't ever stop. Wow, that's a color. Let me tell you. Whoa. Okay, but anyway, yeah. What is this? A rubber band that wasn't even holding them together. Okay. But yeah, those are nice socks. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that is it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I will shoot you a link if you're interested. I don't get anything for it, so just let me know. And thank you all so much for watching. And please like, subscribe, comment down below. Have a great day. Bye.